Welcome back to the Bark and Bite. My name is Brandon Baker of Black Dog Barbecue, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly why my Char-Broil Pro Series 3-burner gas grill is my favorite grill to use. Let's check it out. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to cook on just about any type of grill you can think of, whether it's something more traditional like a charcoal or a gas grill, or even something like a griddle, or if it's something more niche like a Santa Maria style grill. That being said, the grill that I use the most at my house is my Char-Broil 3-burner Pro Series gas grill, and really it all boils down to its versatility. I've been using Char-Broil's line of grills for several years now, and what I love about what they do is they give you an excellent product at the price point of which it's offered. The versatility of their Pro Series gas grills is a perfect example of what I'm talking about by providing that excellent value. So what do I mean when I'm talking about that versatility? Well, their Pro Series line of grills gives you the option to cook with either gas, charcoal, or even use a griddle insert. Traditionally, you need 3 separate grills to be able to get all of that functionality, but the fact that you can get all 3 in one with their Pro Series gas grills to me is just awesome. What gives you the option to do this is that the grill comes with a griddle insert, plus you've got the options of getting charcoal trays that you can put your traditional briquettes in as well. They do a nice job of providing storage too underneath the grill itself, so you can store both the griddle insert as well as the charcoal trays easily right next to the propane tank. Inserting both attachments into the grill is also super simple as well, because of the fact that all you're doing is removing the reflector plates as well as the traditional grill grates that are there originally. Now, I cook with the gas function most regularly because it's quick, easy, convenient, and I can get dinner on the table in under 30 minutes when I'm using that function. That being said, I also love cooking with charcoal, so the fact that I can use the tray insert to use those charcoal briquettes to give me that traditional charcoal flavor is something I absolutely love as well. I've done it with wings on several occasions, and it does a fantastic job. The other part of the grill that's great when you're cooking with charcoal is the fact that you're still using the propane burners to light that charcoal, so it lights super fast. The griddle insert to me though is where your true value comes in. A lot of the times you've got to buy that insert for your grill separately, but Char-Broil gives that to you with that Pro Series line of grill. While it's definitely fun to have, you don't necessarily need your own standalone griddle. The griddle insert that Char-Broil has gives you tons of cooking space for anything that you'll need, even if you're cooking for 4 or 5 for dinner time. Today I'm using it for smash burgers, which we know everybody loves these days, but I've used it from everything from chicken to fish to steak, really anything you could think you can make on that griddle insert. Now, we've talked about the versatility of cooking with gas, charcoal, and then also using the griddle feature, but I'm going to give you a bonus tip as well that I absolutely love about this Pro Series gas grill, and that's the fact that it has a side burner. Personally, I use the side burner all the time, most frequently for sauces, but I'll also use it for my side dishes or even a soup or a stew as well. At the end of the day, this grill just allows me to cook whatever and whenever I want to do so. I keep using the word versatility, but honestly, that's why I love it so much, and that's why it's got a permanent place on my patio and why I use it so often. So if you're in the market for a new grill, I hope I was able to provide some insight on why I think the Char-Broil Pro Series gas grill is an awesome option to consider. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and continue to follow along for more informational and recipe style videos. And until next time, happy grilling.